That's this small.
Hey, I said you had to eat that carrot first. Mommy said you have to eat the carrot first. Careful, don't spill your juice.
What?
Don't spill your juice.
I didn't. I didn't.
Hey, did you go see a horse farm yesterday?
Yeah.
Which horse is your favorite?
Purple.
Purple horse?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, was it?
The purple one's in a red house in the sand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was it beautiful?
Yeah.
What part?
Purple.
Beautiful purple?
Yeah.
Did you like its head?
His purple head.
He had a purple head? Did he?
Yeah, and the other horse was in the gate.
He was in a gate?
Yeah. The purple horse was in the gate. He was in the gate.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I make him pretty.
You did? How?
Cause I just got green brush.
You got a green brush?
And my friend just got the blue brush.
And what did you do with the brush?
Brush her hair.
Whose hair?
The purple hair. What's her? And do this.
Yeah?
Brush her hair like that. I brushed my friend's hair. I brushed my friend's hair.